Uh, Hi, or welcome to another session. This is Elimi Kiganjani, and today we are going to derive the formula for compound angle, uh, sine, and cosine as well. So to start our session, as you can see in our screen, so we are going to start with sine. We're gonna start with sine A plus B, and then we see also cosine A plus B. So from the diagram here, in this diagram, side PR is going to be 1 unit. So we are going to consider side PR to be 1 unit. PR will be 1. So to start, I will say that in triangle PQR, sine of angle A will be opposite side over hypotenuse, and opposite side is going to be RQ over 1. 1 mean PR, of course. So RQ is going to be sine A. So in a place of RQ, we can put there sine A. But also cosine A. Cosine A will be adjacent side over hypotenuse side, and adjacent side is going to be PQ over, this is PQ over PR, and PR is 1, so we are talking of PQ over 1. From this, actually, we see that PQ will be equal to cosine A. So this can be written as cosine A. Again, coming to triangle PQU, I can say that in triangle PQU, so sine B will be again opposite side of a hypotenuse. So opposite side is QU over PQ, which is cosine A. So eventually we can say that QU equals to sine B times cosine A. So we can say this side is sine B cosine A. And in the same triangle, cosine B, in the same triangle, cosine B will be PU over PQ, which is our hypotenuse side. So PU over cosine A again. So eventually you have PU will be equal to cosine A cosine B. So you have cosine A cosine B. This is cosine A cosine B. And then again, when you come to triangle RSQ, I will say that in triangle RSQ, from this triangle, we can still see that actually sine B will be SQ over hypotenuse, which is sine A, of course. And from this, you can get actually that sine A times sine B is going to be SQ. So SQ is sine A sine B. So I think with all these details in our hand now, we can go to the formulas we are going to deduce. First of all, we are looking for sine A plus B. Sine n plus B from the diagram is RT over 1. And what is RT? RT is going to be RS or RS plus ST over 1, of course. And so I have to find the RS. So by using the same triangle here, RS, we are going to use actually cosine B. So with the same diagram, cosine B will be RS over sine A, of course. So that RS is going to be sine A cosine B. So from this part now, we can say sine A plus sine B. This will be RS plus ST. RS is actually sine A cosine B plus ST. We have seen that ST is actually cosine A sine B. And this is the formula, the compound angle formula for sine, dear students. So that is the compound angle formula for sine A plus B. So we're going to proceed with sine. First of all, we will check actually cosine. What about cosine A plus B? Cosine A plus B, from the diagram we have cosine A plus B will be PT over hypotenuse side, which is actually 1, but PT is PU minus TU, and we can see PU, we have seen actually PU is cosine A cosine B. So you have cosine A cosine B minus TU, and TU you can see from diagram is sine A sine B. So from this you can see the compound angle formula for cosine. Cosine A plus B is equal to cosine A cosine B minus sine A sine B. So to avoid a very long video, we are going to end up here, and in the next video we are going to derive cosine A minus B and also sine A minus B. So that is derivation of the compound angle formula for sine A plus B and cosine A plus B, dear students. So this is one of the sessions where we are solving. Actually, we are sharing different concepts in mathematics, and today we covered the compound angle formula for sine A plus B and sine cosine A plus B. As I said, in the next video, stay tuned. We are going to cover cosine A minus B and sine A minus B. I wish you all the best in mathematics learning endeavor. If it is your first time to be here, don't forget to subscribe, share the content with the students who are in need of some more explanation in mathematics, but also spread the word to others so that we are going to increase the cycle of influence to other students. Peace.